Hi guys, haven't been doing much on here lately. I had an awful bloody cold and thing going on. There we go, it's all going apart. There we go. Voice had gone, it's back now, slightly croaky. Anyway, I bought this Kryptonite off the Facebook Marketplace. It was £10 with a 2-foot chain, which I said I didn't want, so I think I got it for £8. Plus postage. Bit's pretty flat. It's like 6 pins. Just get a tension in it. Okay. Let's have a quick go. Pin 1, definitely. Pin 2, definitely. Pin 3, definitely. All going. Oh, they're all going in order apart from I now can't get the pick under pin 4. Slip it under there. Okay, dropped into a little false set there. Pin 5, a little something on there. Pin 4. Oh, only just noticed it slipped out of picture a bit there. Pin 3, nice click. 2, nice click. Okay, so 1. Get in there, you. Get in, don't start that nonsense. Nothing on 1, 2, 3. Can't get under 4 again. Kick off 4 into a nice false set. Can't get under 5. Slipped off the boarding, which is what I'm picking off. Click off 5. Pick at the back. Slipping out of picture, out of focus, it's all going wrong. Strange, nothing there, nothing there. Something there. There we go. Pin 2, I think. Boom. Tension has gone, but she's open. Anyway, just a quick one, guys. I do love these Kryptonites. Thanks for checking it out.